Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to present you a car charger from Xiaomi. It's sold under the Mi brand. This is how the box looks like. It's brand new. Here we have a picture with the product. Here we have the name of the product. It's called Mi 37 watts dual port car charger. On this side of the box we have where it's made. It's in China. On this side we have some characteristics, and here we have the technical specs of the product, the model name, and as you can see it has two USB outputs. One is standard output of 10 watts and the other one it's the super fast charging port. As you can see it can go up to, let's see, so here we have 15 watts, 19 watts and so on. I think it can go up to around 27 watts. Yeah. And here we have other information. Here we have the product code and so on. But let's jump inside the box to see how the product looks like. And after I'm going to present you the product here, I'm going into my car, I'm going to start it, and I'm going to connect it to my phone to see if it's really fast charging or not. Fast charging it is. I want to see if it's super fast charging. Okay, so I'm going to show you later, but now let's jump inside the box. Okay, this is how it looks like. As you can see, the product comes in a plastic bag, but for the moment let's put it aside. And this is how the box looks like. It's empty, and here we have a warranty card, a warranty book, and here we have the user manual. Okay, it's not very complicated to use a car charger, so I'm going to give it a shot without looking at the manual. Let's have a look at the product itself. I have to tell you that I like how it comes packed, so it's really premium. Now, in terms of product, we have plastic. It's matte plastic. It's good because it will not get fingerprints. Here we have the model name, Mi 37 watts dual port car charger. We have the standard connectors for the car port. Here we have the technical characteristics. I don't know if you can see it because it's written black on black or gray on black and it's not very visible. Okay, and basically this is the top of the charger. We have the USB 1 port and the USB 2 port. We should also have an LED, and from what I saw on the internet, this ring, it's in fact a light to show you that the charger is powered on, but we'll see in the car if it's a light or not. Yeah, again, this is how it looks like. If I put it in my hand, it's quite tall. The current one I have right now, it's like this size, so it can be even smaller, but again, you will put it in your car and you are going to forget about it, so for me it's not a problem, but for you it might be a problem. Again, I have a normal hand, a medium hand, so this is the size. Let's keep it like this to have a look, and with fingers. Yeah, so it's not a small product, it's quite tall, so be careful when you buy it. If you need a small product, something very compact, this is not for you. Okay, I'm going to the car, I'm going to power it on, and I'm going to test it with my phone. Okay guys, so I'm in the car now. This is the charger. This is the car port, so I'm going to insert it here. And I don't know if you can see, but it lights up. So indeed, this ring here, it's a light. And also you have LEDs in the USB ports. So during night, now it's quite sunny outside, but during night, I don't know if you can see, it lights. It lights up. So yeah, it looks very nice. As I told you, the device is quite big, So you can see, even if I'm fully pressing with all my force, it still remains outside quite a lot. But for me it's fine. Again, for you, depends on what you need to do with it and what is your car configuration. It might be a bit bigger for you. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks like. I have a cable here. I'll try to see if it's fast charging. So I will try the orange port. It's connected. Now I will take my other phone, and as you can see, it says fast charging. So it's not ultra fast charging, it's just fast charging. But we have battery 76%, 30 minutes until fully charged. So this is indeed fast charging, and the time is quite good comparing to my, for example, wall charger. So indeed the performance is good. Let's check the ampere application. So the output, oh, it's quite low, 800 milliamps. I was expecting for something higher, but it is what it is. Okay, I'll try to switch the ports now. Let's switch the port to first the USB 1. Let's see what is the output now. It's measuring. The same. This is quite strange, because usually we should have a higher output on the orange port, but indeed it's only 800 milliamps on both ports. And now, but now as you can see here, it's cable charging, so basically it's not fast charging, it's just cable charging. Well, it is what it is. Let me try one more time to change the cable, to put it in the orange port, to see if we have any difference. Measuring. $900, 920. So not even 1 amp. Okay, guys, I don't know. For me, I think I'm going to use it because I already paid for it. But I have to tell you that I'm a little bit disappointed with the output. This is it. Okay, guys, this is the product. Again, it looks premium. You saw the performance. If you like it and if you think that it's good for you, buy it. If not, try to find something more powerful. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.